All right, y'all, welcome back. PR here, man. Look, the holidays is coming. My girls are coming in. So as far as little gifts and stuff, stocking stuffers, call 10, man. South River Baits, couple packs, though, in the stockings, perfect stuff. Right. Look, the girls are coming home. Already got one home. Come on in. Summer's here. Hey, baby girl.
Hey.
Senior in college, what do you think? You about over with? Are you happy?
Ready to graduate. Grad school.
Grad school. Oh my God, that's more money. More money. Real quick though, pictures real quick. You want to introduce them?
Yes. So first off, we have
Mr. Corey Stage first. Corey out in Stillwater, man. Beautiful fish, dude. Bass and crappie here. Next.
Steve and Andrew Dolan.
There you go. The Dolans up in the Northeast. Steve is here in these pics. His biggest was 2.2. Then they went out, busted that 3.8. That's bigger than my biggest one. My biggest was 3.2. 3.8. Steve, congrats, bro. And then last,
we have our neighbor Randy Simpson.
Yeah, Mr. Randy. He's been out on the lake all week, killing them. And besides crappie, this is some bycatch, if you say, so to speak, there. But white bass and a big old bass too. Okay, and then lastly,
PR fishing.
Yeah. So at the end of the video, I just took a quick snapshot of a couple of these big fish of this video. It's all live scoping, suspended fish, and you'll see it, man. So this live scope footage is pretty good. Summer sit down and watch the women a little bit. She goes, too much footage, Daddy. Well, that's the whole purpose of the show, right? So y'all can see what I see when I'm standing up front. Again, I shouldn't have said that, but South River Baits, great stocking stuffers, y'all. Great stocking stuffers. Hit that thumbs up for me and subscribe. All right, y'all, welcome back. PR here, man. I don't know what's going on with my camera. It's real fuzzy, so just excuse that. Quick, we're going to see if we can do some suspended fish. Found some yesterday. Just pulled into this spot. There's still some here, so, and I'm going to do the chesty, much as I hate to. All right, there's one right there. See? A good fish. It could come on that big one right yonder though. That's what I'm saying, y'all. You can't make them bite. See that fish just turn away. He's still looking at it. That was crazy there. I just get him to bite. freaking jig over there first. So difficult sometimes. There's my jig. I'm using one of them hand ties. Oh, he come up on it. I got him. I got him, man. On this big old rod. A good fish too. He got that thing engulfed. Slab, look at that slab, y'all. Oh, here's a couple fish. They are out. 30 feet. 25. There's my jig. I got one of them. That's a good fish too. Another good fish. I know my secret's tore, y'all. He's got that gone. Oh, hand tied that bluish gray color. Another good fish. Here he comes to it. Oh, he just don't want to eat it though. Man. There he goes swimming off. Oh, I got his butt too. As soon as I popped it on it. That's a good fish too. He couldn't stand it, boy. Another good one. Another good one. I put that slapper on it and popped it right in front of him. Bam! Thick. 15. Get this one closest to me to begin with. Here he comes. I got him. That's a slab too, I'm telling you. Another slab. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I switched over to the little slapper bait. I had some fish right here. Here comes my jig. Oh, here he comes. He's still coming. He ain't hit it yet. But they want it. Well, they wanted it. Here he comes again. Man, they looking at it hard. Oh, something hit it. Something got it out of that brush. It's a small fish. It's just a small guy. That's what you catch out of them brush piles. There's smaller fish right now. These big ones are out here. Pretty fish, baby. You see it coming over top of the brush a little. I got one. Still a small guy. Small guy. But that's not what we're looking for. We're looking for these slabs. Another little white crappie, pretty fish though. Let him go. Seen that little fish come out that brush and get it? That was crazy. Again, we ain't targeting these little guys. It's good fish though. Come down to it. He's falling like, oh, I got his butt. Oh, that's a great big one, look. Oh, I got him hooked real good. He's a great big one, but he'll eat her. Still a good fish. Here's a couple, it looks like. Here come my G. Oh, I got him too. He knocked the fire out of it. He would come for it. It's a good fish too. I mean, a great big one. Look at the size of this one. This is a 2-pound fish here. Look at the size of that crappie, y'all. Oh, my lands. Oh, I barely got him too. Barely got him. Good gosh, look at the size of this fish. I got him, bud. I got his big butt. Look at the size of that one. That's a daggone crappie there. That's a keeper there. Come to it. Got his butt too. I got his big butt too. Look at the size of that one. That's Another slab. Another great big slab, man. Oh, I just barely got him too. I mean, barely. There he is. He ain't no slab. Well, all right, we're gonna let this guy go, but he's a good eater though. I thought it was a whole lot bigger than that. He's another one. He ain't no monster, but he's a good keeper. That's an eater. But I got a couple in the box like him, so we're gonna let this guy go too. He engulfed it, look. The back of his throat. Another good fish. I'm gonna let him go. What happened to him? Oh, he was following it. That's exactly what he was doing. Yeah, man. Not no great big one, but a good fish. Let him go. Oh, I got that one in the back. He knocked the fire out of it. That's a good fish too. There's a good fish. There's another slab, y'all. All right. Look at the size of that fish. That was so good. Another good fish, man. Golly. All right, y'all. Man, what a day. Phone died on me. I ain't hardly got no juice left. Look at these slabs. Look. And both of them fish are pushing too. Man, what some crappie, man. Telling y'all. What y'all think, man? Great show, great footage up front with me. I'll get some more of that, but I'm gonna start mixing it up. Some of that up front, some in the back. Okay, so you can see my surroundings, what's around me. Anyway, lake conditions, you wanna tell them real quick?
Like, is about right under 8 feet low.
Yep.
And the water temperature is right around 50 degrees.
Yep, 50, 52. They're pulling water. They're pulling it to continue to drop it to do work, either on docks or wherever else. So it's just the yearly thing, okay? Fishing's pretty good. Fishing's pretty good. The bait's out suspended. The fish are following right there with it. And as you can see with Randy, man, just not the crappie, the white bass right there, the bass right there. So it's a lot of fishing to be caught, The fish are starting to pull away from the brush too. There's some small fish. You can go out and you see that in this video too. Anyway, I know I talk too much. Hit the thumbs up for me.
Like it, comment, subscribe, and always grab.